Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can resize images in Canva, and it will be a simple tutorial for you guys. So if you want to resize your image, like let's say we have this one, let's go any template in here. Once we will be enter here, then you can see this is the size of our template. So I want to make my image in that size, so I will place it this way and our image already becomes resized. So if you want to make your image vertical, the same one, then you just need to go to the resize and click this one, and you can add a custom size also, but this is only applicable for if you are using the premium plan. But if you are in the premium level, then how you can do it, you just need to go to the home. Once you come over here home, then you will have the option for custom size. So you just click on the custom size and then choose your desired size from that place. So I will go with this one, and our size already been created. So now I will just place the image in here like this way. As you can see, this is the image. I will just place it here, and you can see our image become resizes and it become 8 to 12 inches. So in this way you can easily resize your images for you. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.